Average. Average is also called as mean in some of the books. Okay. It is also called as mean. Okay. So I have told you what is average. For example, you have certain number of, for example, you have 100 apples. You have to give it to 10 people. So each people, how much apples can you give? 10. So this 10 is called average. So you are sharing it to equal amount of quantity to everyone. Okay. First thing. Next thing, what is one more thing is, if you have a number, you have to find the center number. If there is a number between 10 to 100, if you want to find a middle number, that is also called as average or mean. The number between 10 to 100 is what? You have to add these two numbers. 100 plus 10 is 110. 110 divided by 2 is how much? 110 divided by 2? 55. So 55 is the middle number. That is called average. So you have a formula for average. What is the formula? Sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Sum of quantities, or sometimes you can call it as numbers by total numbers. Okay, let's see one example. First question. Find the average of two, 4, 8, 10. Okay. Find the average of 2, 4, 8, 10. These are the numbers. Okay. According to the formula which we have written here, we have to add all the quantities or add all the numbers. Okay. So we have how many numbers? How many numbers we have? 4 numbers. We have to add all these 4 numbers. Let's add it. 2 plus okay, let's see. 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 10 divided by total number of quantities. That is how many numbers are there. Here there are 4 numbers. There are 4 numbers. So you have to write it as 4. Okay. First add this. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 10 is 24. So this is 24 by 4. Now you have to divide this. If you divide this, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. Answer is 6. Okay, in this problem, we have total number of marks obtained by the student in each subject. Okay, so a student got 72 in maths, 48 in English, 62 in science and 86 in social. We need to find the average marks obtained by the student. Okay, so what is the formula? Average is equal to, okay, sum of, I'll call it as sum of numbers by total numbers. Okay, so here we have to add all the marks. Okay, so we have to add all the marks. Let's add it. 72 plus 48 plus 62 plus 86. So we have total number of subjects is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 subjects. So we have to divide it by 4. Okay. Now if we add 72 plus 48 plus 62 plus 86, 268. Okay. 268 divided by 4. Okay, we'll do it. 4 ones are 4. Okay. 4 6 are 24. Remainder is 2. 4 6 are 4 6 are 24. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the next number is 28. 4 sevens are 28. So the answer is 67. Now, what is the formula of average? Okay, sum of numbers by total numbers. Now, average of 3 children is given, that is 12. Average of 3 children is 12. Average is given to you. Total how many children are there? 3 children. Now the question is, how do you get 12? You have to add the ages of 3 children, and if you divide it by 3, you will get answer it as 12. Now among this adding ages of 3 children, they have added 2 children's ages. They have added 2 children's ages. Those years, the age is 27. You don't know one more child's age, so you have to write it as X because you don't know. Huh? You can take anything, A, B, C, anything. Average means it is not everyone's age is 12. Maybe one child's age is 10, one child's age is 12, another child's age is 14. If you add these 3, divided by 3, you will get answer as 12. Average means all the 3 child's age is not 12. If you take overall their average, the center number, in that way, okay? So now if you added 2 ages, child's age is 27, we have to find the age of the third child. Okay? So now what I have told you, left hand side, right hand side. Right hand side you have division. If it comes towards the left hand side, it becomes multiplication. This is towards left hand side, right hand side. Here it is division. If you shift it, it becomes multiplication. So this is 12 into 3, that is equals to 27 plus x. Now multiply this. 12 3s are 36. Let me write it here. 12 3s are 36. 36 is equal to 27 plus x. Okay? X is the age of the child, which we don't know. Now, here we have plus 27. If I shift it towards the left side, it becomes minus 27. Okay? So this is 36 minus 27 is equal to x. So what is the value of x? 36 minus 27 is how much? 36 minus 27 is 9. Okay. So here you have a question. The average cost of 3 toys is 16 rupees. That is, you have to add 3 toys, and if you divide it by 3, the answer will be 16. The average number is 16. Total quantity, or what is the formula for average? Sum of quantities by total number of quantities. So the formula for average is sum of quantities divided by total number of quantities. Total number of quantities is 3. Average is 16. You have 3 toys. Among that, the cost of 2 toys is 15 rupees, 20 rupees. You have to find the cost of the third toy. You don't know the cost of the third toy. Okay? Here from this formula, I have told you average is 16. So 16. Total number of quantities is 3. Sum of the quantities, you know, 2 quantities value 15 rupees and 20 rupees. You don't know the third toy's price, so you have to find it. Let's take it as X. Okay? This is similar to that of the previous problem. Now what happens? This is left hand side, this is right hand side. In the right hand side, you have a division. This is 3 in the division. If you shift it towards the right, left hand side, it becomes multiplication. So this is 16 into 3 is equal to 15 plus 20 plus X. Okay? Now, what is 16 into 3? 48. What is 15 plus 20? 35. So this is 35 plus X. So to find the value of X, we have to shift this number.
48 minus.
Yes. In the right hand side, this is 35 plus 35. If you shift it, it becomes minus 35. So this is 48. 48 minus 35 is equal to X. What is 48 minus 35? Where I have done equal to is there itself. This is towards right hand side. Sorry, right hand side. This is towards left hand side. Now I need to find the value of X. Okay, now I need to find the value of X so that I have to take the remaining values whichever I know. Which one? If you shift it, it is a rule. If you shift it, plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Huh? Where? Plus X. Plus X, we can write it as X. Plus 5, we can write it as 5. Similarly. Okay? Now 48 minus 35 is 13. So your X value is 13. The cost of the third toy is 13 rupees.